Now let us look at the third question. First of all, let us make the table. First column is of station. As we all know, first column is of station. We have to point out like 1, 2. Second is of BS. Then IS, FS, HI and RL. And remarks. Like this is BS. This is IS. This is FS. These are the readings. This is the value of height of instrument HI, and this is RL. Okay. We have to give horizontal divergence also, so that we will not get confused between the readings and the problem solution. Now let us look at the question. The question given here. First of all, the BS value is 0.578. The IS is 0.933, 1.768, 2.450. FS is 2.005. The subsequent 1.888, 1.181, 0.679, 0.612. So let us solve this question one by one. First of all, the RL of the first station is given as 58.250. So first of all, find out the HI value. HI will be RL plus BS. So RL is 58.250 plus 0.578, 58.828. This HI value minus, so this is the first, second and third station. This HI minus this IS will give us this RL value. This HI minus this IS, that is 58.828 minus 1.768 will give us new RL, that is 57.06. After that, 58.828 minus 2.450 give us 56.378. After that, this HI minus this FS, 58.828 minus 2.005, 56.823. 56.823. This HI, the here station is changed, so we have to find out the HI, that is 56.823 plus 0.567. 0.567 will give us new HI 56.39. 56.39 minus 1.888 gives us new RL, and 56.39 minus 1.181 will give us 56.209. 57.39 minus this FS value, that is the last reading, 53.711. Now the station is again changed, so 53.711 plus 0.612. 0.612 will give us new HI. So 54.323 minus 0.705 gives us 53.618, and 54.323 minus 1.810 gives us 52.513. That is the last RL value. Let us check that we are going correct. Summation of BS, summation of FS, and last RL minus first RL. So summation of BS will be 0.578 plus 0.567 plus 0.612. That is 1.757. And summation of FS will be 2.005 plus 3.679 plus 1.810 gives us 7.494. 1.757. The difference is 5.737. This is the difference between sigma BS minus sigma FS. 5.737. Let us look at this. 52.513 minus 58.250 gives us minus of 5737. So we had checked like last RL minus first RL. Last RL is 52.513 minus 58.250 gives us 5.737, and the sigma BS minus sigma FS, that is sigma BS is 1.757 minus 7.494 gives us 5.737. That is okay. So we have done with this question. Now let us look at another question by rise and fall method. So first of all we have to note it down the reading of this question. Now let us look at this question by rise and fall method. The readings are given as such: BS, IS and FS. So for to rise and fall, calculate previous reading minus next reading. Previous reading is 6.21. We have to go like this, minus this, then we have to minus this, then we have to move like this reading minus this, this minus this, we have to move like this and find out the rise and fall. The rise is the positive reading and fall is the negative reading. Like 6.21 minus 4.92 gives us positive reading, that is 1.29. The RL of first station is given as 100. The RL of first station is given as 100 units, 1.29. After that 4.92 minus 6.12 will give us minus reading, that is of fall category, minus 1.2. Okay, 8.42 minus 9.81 gives us minus reading, minus of 1.39, minus of 1.39. Okay, 6.63 minus 7.90 minus 1.27, 7.90 minus 8.26 minus 0.36 and 9.71 minus 10.21 will give us minus 0.5. RL we have to calculate. Here rise value will be in the plus category and fall value will be in the minus category. 101.29 minus 1.2 will give 100.09. Okay, 100.09 minus 1.39, 98.7. 98.7 minus 1.27, 97.43 minus 0.36, 97.07 and 97.07 minus itna 96.57. So this is the last RL. 96.57 is the last RL value and the first RL is 100. Last RL minus first RL will give us minus 3.43. Okay, and the summation of BS minus summation of FS, or the summation of rise minus summation of fall, we have to check. Summation of BS will be 6.21 plus 8.42 plus 6.63 plus 9.71, 30.97. Summation of FS will be 6.12 plus 9.81 plus 8.26 plus 10.21 will give us 34.4 minus 30.91 will give us 34.4 minus 30.97 will give us 3.43. So the check is also correct, 3.43 and 3.43. So this question is okay and